Good morning. Oh my goodness. It's time for me to get ready to go to work. And I get my hair done this afternoon. I get my hair washed and styled and blow dried this afternoon after work. So, as I told you, here's my mascara. And I've got to put some mascara on here because I'm going to work and I don't really want all the gray to show. So, get my hair combed a little bit. Ooh, see all that gray? All that gray. It is time. It is time for me to go and get this stuff colored. I mean, it needs to be colored. Whoa. Even I have to say whoa. So, take that mascara. Put that mascara on this gray. Just any kind of mascara, okay? Any kind would do. You can go to the Dollar Tree. You can go wherever you like. Put that mascara on. It's like mascara just, it's like it's just so easy to just put it on. Because it's like your hair is kind of like a lash. And so I like the mascara because it's just, so natural and easy. And so get this stuff combed out so I can go to work all day, see those kids, and then go and get it done. And I'm going to share with you. I just need to look at the mirror for a minute just to make sure I got those spots. Need a little bit on the side. And that's close enough. It doesn't have to be perfect because I just don't want it to be as white as you saw it a few minutes ago. So here I am, combing it out. And I'm ready for a day. I am ready for the day. So I will see you at the salon where I am going to be videotaping from the salon today. Have a good day. Have a good day.